Hello everyone, welcome back to Prime MotorMax. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Hero Splendor Plus 2026 New Color Edition. This video is focused on giving you clear and practical information about the new color options, overall design, performance, and whether this bike still makes sense in 2026 for daily use. About Hero Splendor Plus. The Hero Splendor Plus is one of the most trusted and popular commuter motorcycles in India. For many years, this bike has been known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance cost. Whether it is daily office commuting, short city rides, or regular household use, the Splendor Plus has always been a dependable choice for millions of riders. What's new in the 2026 model? For the 2026 model year, Hero has not made major mechanical changes to the Splendor Plus. Instead, the focus is mainly on new color options and refreshed graphics, giving the bike a slightly more modern and premium look while keeping its original identity intact. The two most talked about colors in the 2026 lineup are Matte Gray Edition, Candy Red Edition, Matte Gray Color Edition. Let's start with the Matte Gray color. This color gives the Splendor Plus a clean, subtle, and professional appearance. The matte finish reduces excessive shine, making the bike look classy and suitable for everyday riders. One practical advantage of the matte gray color is that dust and small scratches are less noticeable, which is very helpful for daily commuting. The black alloy wheels and dark graphics blend well with this color, giving the bike a balanced and mature look. This color is especially suitable for office-going riders and those who prefer a simple yet premium style. Candy Red Color Edition. Now let's talk about the Candy Red color. This is a glossy red shade combined with black graphics. It looks bright, energetic, and more eye-catching compared to the gray option. This color is ideal for riders who want their bike to stand out slightly in traffic or parking areas. The red color adds a sporty touch while still maintaining the simplicity of the Splendor Plus design. However, being a glossy color, it may require a bit more cleaning to maintain its shine, design, and styling. In terms of overall design, the Hero Splendor Plus 2026 remains familiar. It continues with its classic headlamp, comfortable single-piece seat, and upright riding posture. The fuel tank graphics have been slightly updated to match the new colors, giving the bike a refreshed look without changing its traditional appeal. This approach ensures that existing Splendor fans still feel connected to the bike. Engine and performance. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 continues to use the reliable 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. This engine is tuned for smooth performance and fuel efficiency rather than high speed. It delivers enough power for city riding and daily commuting, with a smooth and stress-free riding experience. This bike is not meant for aggressive riding, but performs consistently well for its intended purpose. Mileage and maintenance. Mileage has always been the strongest point of the Splendor Plus. In real-world conditions, riders can expect around 60 to 70 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. Maintenance cost remains low, and Hero's widespread service network makes ownership easy and affordable, even in smaller cities and towns. Who should buy the Splendor Plus 2026? The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 is ideal for daily commuters, office-going riders, first-time bike buyers, riders looking for low running cost and high reliability. The new color options are perfect for those who want a fresh look without compromising on trust and practicality. Final verdict. Overall, the Hero Splendor Plus 2026 does not try to reinvent itself. Instead, it improves where it matters by offering new color options while keeping its proven formula unchanged. If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-maintain commuter motorcycle, the Splendor Plus 2026 remains a solid choice. Ultra. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching Prime MotorMax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments which color you prefer, matte gray or candy red. See you in the next video.